best as I can, okay? Doing as best as I can. But yeah, I hope y'all can see me well. See what I'm working with here. Got the old Police Interceptor here. We're doing an oil change on it today. So high mileage, 5W30, of course. Put 5W30 in all of my rides. I'm putting six quarts. I'm gonna be putting 6 quarts into this vehicle. How many of y'all know how to do oil change? Comment down in the comments and let me know how many of you guys actually know how to do an oil change. Because I know some of y'all watching probably never even know what the bottom of your car look like. If oil look like this, you might want to go to the mechanic, you know. You might want to go to Ford or Nissan, Honda, whatever car you got. Get your oil change. Get your shit checked out. You know. But don't worry, I'm not a mechanic, so I'll probably be at the Ford dealership myself. Coolant looking good. Oil, just showed y'all that so y'all know how that's looking. Not looking so good. Everything else looks okay, I guess. Changed the spark plugs on it. My boy John helped me with that. My little tools. They do what they do. Got this oil pan. Just finished draining all the oil out of here. Now I gotta run to AutoZone because apparently I cannot find my oil wrench for the oil filter. Oh, wait, hold up. I might not have to go. Oh, what? Yeah, I think I'm gonna go. Yeah, I'm gonna go get that oil wrench, guys. This is why I said you need some good tools, because I'm getting oil everywhere. It's just kidding, guys. I didn't waste too much oil, but I didn't want to waste any. But I really didn't waste that much. Just tightening the drain plug now. Got that oil filter off as well. I'm about to put the new one on. That's that. That is that. But not a hard job. It's not a hard job. You just gotta have the right tools. Once you have the right tools, you will find a lot of stuff easy. But as we know, life isn't easy. So even when we have the right tools, it takes skill, practice, persistence, consistency, and practice. You have those three things, you'll find your life falling in line. Things going how you want them to go, you know? Right. Tighty righty, lefty loosey. Tightening the drain plug back up, so make sure the wrench is turning to the right, not the left. Tighty righty, lefty loosey. For those who didn't know. To tighten, you go to the right. Tighty righty. Lefty loosey. When you want to loosen something, adjust to the left. Tightening this thing up right now. Barely have any room under here because I'm just working off the driveway. I don't have a jack, I don't have any jack stands. Yep, just decided to do it on my garage floor. On this lovely garage floor. Yep. One. Oh, shit. Two. And gotta make sure y'all got that thing on there tight. So you don't be leaking no oil all over these roads out here. Not too tight though. Alright, that's the old oil filter right here. This is the new one. I rubbed some of the oil from the old oil filter onto the new one around that rubber gasket right there. That way it's, a little easier to seal, I guess. I don't know. They say it's good to do that though, so you should do it. Yep. This don't have to be really tight, just hand tight. So once it gets snug, I just, 1, 2, right there. 3. And that's good right there. That's good. Don't need to be any tighter than that. This one there. Drain plug in. Oil filter in. And yep. Basically it. If y'all want me to do like a full tutorial, like a really good video doing an oil change or anything, then you guys should let me know. But other than that, I just decided to take you guys along with me to do this half-ass oil change. Damn camera. Is it going to hold up? Hopefully it does. I'm just about to drain the oil now. I drained the oil already, as you guys know. Drain plug's back intact, oil filter's back intact. So now I'm just gonna be adding the oil to here now. Got my funnel right here. That's what I'm gonna be doing. And I was just joking earlier. I hope you guys actually can learn something from this. maybe in the near future, you know, especially if you guys, you know, one of you asks for it, then yeah, I'll definitely do a in-depth oil change. Right now, I'm just working off my phone, doing what I can, and showing you guys what I can. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Grab oil from over here. Just to let you guys know, for those guys that haven't done that oil change on their cars yet, thinking about doing it, saving them some money, you know, rather going to Take 5 and they charge you like what, $170 for full synthetic, something like that. If you don't know the oil that goes in your car and you don't like to read the owner's manual, like, you know, some people, most people, me included, you can ask AutoZone, hey, what oil does my car take? Or just go on AutoZone, go on O'Reilly's, any parts store that sells oil and car parts and stuff, and they'll tell you. Just be like, hey, I'm doing this and this to my car. They're gonna ask for the year, make, and model. I'm doing an oil change on a 2001 Ford Mustang, right? Once you tell them that, they're actually gonna go get everything for you. So, just in case somebody didn't know that. They wanna do that first oil change. Just some FYI. First quart. I use full synthetic 5W dirty on all of my vehicles. Pennzoil. I just like this brand. Full synthetic is good for your car. It's better than conventional. So yes, this is what I'm using. Take my time and I already dropped some oil. You gotta take your time putting this stuff in here, man. So you can make a mess. Speaking of making a mess, let me look under here real quick. Looking good. We ain't got no leaks. Ain't got no leaks under there. It. Bruh, you're only supposed to put 6 quarts of oil in this car. This is a 5-quart gallon, right? This is sweet tea. No, it's not sweet tea. Look like sweet tea, don't it? But it's not sweet tea. I bought 6 quarts of oil, right? So that's the 5-quart bottle. Then I had the other one right here, right? That's 1 quart, so 5 plus 6, 6 quarts. All the oil I needed, right? Bruh. this right here is probably like a whole nother quart, maybe a quart and a half. I don't know, but bro, he had like 7 quarts of oil. I had to pour my actual sweet tea out to put this shit in there. Crazy. This is the old oil, by the way, for you guys that don't know. This is the old oil, and this is not the new oil. The new oil is in the vehicle. Oil job's done already. This is not sweet tea, so don't think this looks tasty, all right? This is the extra oil that I had to get out of there. I had to get it out of the oil pan. I didn't have no more room. This thing filled over. This thing filled over. And it still had all this oil in there. It's freaking crazy. They had way too much oil in there. Well, I was wondering why the dipstick, the oil was filled all the way to the top. Like, insane. But we got the job done. All good to go. And did make a little bit of mess, unfortunately, that I gotta clean up, but got the job done. We got the job done. That's basically it. Oil change all done, all squared away. If you guys like the video, you know, like it, comment, subscribe, tell me some good ideas you guys got that you might think is good for me. But until then, next time. Oh nah.
Man, you saw me?
Nah, I ain't getting nothing on camera.
Oh no, man, I flipped off the bike. I'm trying to jump the curb. How niggas doing? It was a key. I missed maybe.
The dude over there thought I was recording him. He saw me recording over here. He said he had fell off his bike. He thought I had got him on camera, but I didn't even see him fall off of his bike. But yeah, guys, next time. See you next time.